Dirt. Aww. Maybe he'll bond with you again, Jacob. Gotta put that away.
The back. The back.
He's getting dirty, huh?
Yeah.
And then he'll... You're a cute otter. I wish I could keep you as a pet. Aw, he's tuckered out. He's tuckered out from rolling around in the dirt. Here's our little belly.
A dirt.
It is dirty.
Oh, more.
Another one who's come to join the fun. We don't have any food, dude.
Look at the food.
Oh, they don't even eat that.
Right here.
What happened?
Go take a look at it.
Hi. Jake.